Hi, today I'm making a home-style turkey sausage bake, and I'm going to begin with the whole package of a regular turkey sausage. I'm adding a cup and a half of home-style hash browns, which are home fries. I'm adding 6 eggs as well as a whole can of roasted chilies. Now I'm using roasted green chilies. You can use any type of chili you like. I'm using Nature's Morton sea salt as well as a little garlic powder, and also in this recipe I'm adding a little bit of lower sodium laurets. So just a little bit of that, and then I'm going to go ahead and cook up these home fries so that they are cooked all the way through. Next, in a separate pan, I'm going to fry up the turkey sausage. I've also added red bell peppers. I wanted to add a few more. I like that. It's really your choice. From there, we're going to drain the sausage and spray our casserole dish with Pam. And this feeds about 6 people. And so I'm going to layer the cooked potatoes on the bottom and then add the cooked turkey sausage. And then finally add the green chilies and spread those across the casserole. Next, I'm also scrambling my eggs, the 6 eggs, and adding salt and pepper to taste. I've added a little milk, about a quarter of a cup, and I've scrambled them, and I'm pouring the eggs over the layered casserole. I'm adding sharp cheddar cheese. That's really to your taste. So I've just added it all across the casserole, and I'm going to bake this until the eggs are done. Once it's done, I have, taken it out of the oven and sliced it up, and it is a very tasty breakfast casserole that is savory and tasty and very simple to make.